Guys, what is going on, and welcome back to another car stands video. Today I have you GT3 458 visits Seattle 4K by Warshin's Media. Guys, Warshin is almost at 500,000 subscribers. Let's get him there, okay? I don't know how much he's missing, but he has 499,000 subscribers to this day right now where you guys are watching this video. Let's get him to 500,000, guys. He deserves it. He deserves it. He's an awesome dude. And let's go ahead and let's check out this video, okay? And thank you so much for all of the support on the car channel. We're almost to 1,000 subscribers, guys. Let's hit it and then let's pass it, okay? Warshin's about to hit 500 and I just need to hit 1,000. So let's go. Now, I think we've definitely seen this GT3 before, but it was in a different state, if I'm not mistaken. But bringing this car to every state, that's pretty. Hey man, that's dope. Yo, Seattle's beautiful, man. Whoa. Even though I know this is just the boating area, still, just look at it. And here comes this monster. Damn. Damn. Even though it's not my first time seeing it, damn. Oh, the mirrors are aftermarket. Hold on. Did he do some more stuff to this car than the last one that we saw? What was the last one that we saw? The last one that we saw, yeah, was round 2. Oh, yeah, that was older. Because that one was 3 years of a video from 3 years ago. This is a video from 1 year ago. So the round 2 one that we saw was older. Okay. I wonder, did he do some more stuff to the car? Maybe. I can't tell. Maybe. Now I'm gonna have to go back and watch the other video that I did to see if he did some more upgrades to the car, or did he just leave it like this? That was creepy. Where the hell did you find that, Warshin? That's fucking creepy, yo. Whoa. It's a cool shot. Dude, I'd be afraid to drive this car in the rain, because if everything and all the engine and all that stuff is right under the rear, yo, that's scary. He has a couple leaves on there. I'm not a big Ferrari guy, but this is making me like them. This is making me like them a lot. Like a lot. Fred Meyer. You saw how that dude on the bike almost crashed? Yeah, that shit was nice. Wishing, thank you so much again. And guys, don't forget, Wishings is almost at 500,000 subscribers, guys. Let's get him there, and then let's get him to 1 million, okay? So thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.